Powers Island is a park. I believe it's a county park in the west arm of Grand Traverse Bay. I left Bowers Harbor at the public boat launch there, and I'm approaching the island. The lake and the bay don't get much calmer than this. I'm paddling my Advanced Element kayak. They are a sponsor of my current adventure, a 1,000-mile Great Lakes Island adventure. I wanted a kayak that I wouldn't have to strap to the top of my car. Something that was more portable and yet was rugged and worthy of calm to choppy water on the Great Lakes. This kayak has a metal rib on the front and the back, and it also has a fin underneath, so it tracks pretty much like a hard shell. You do lose a little bit of the glide when you stop paddling. You get a little glide, but a hard shell would glide a little better. But what you give up in glide, you recoup in comfort. The floor of this kayak is basically an inflatable pad, so it is very comfortable to sit on for long periods. It is portable. It's only 35 pounds. It folds up in its own tote. You can just throw it over your shoulder and take it wherever you need to. Sets up in under 5 minutes. This is the complete view of the Advanced Elements kayak. And here are some underwater shots in Grand Traverse Bay. I love to watch the light play on the floor of the lake. And that's me waving from the kayak. And there's Power Island. A few more shots of the light being refracted and creating these beautiful patterns on the floor of Lake Michigan as I kayak on the water. It's quite different for me to be on top of the water instead of at the edge, but that's a new component of my new adventure, my 1,000-mile Great Lakes Island adventure. I will be biking, hiking, kayaking, and possibly even cross-country skiing or snowshoeing on many of the islands of the Great Lakes. So follow me on this grand new adventure on my blog, laketrek.blogspot.com, and check my website, laketrek.com, for my current book tour. I'm touring with 1,000-Mile Great Lakes Walk, and this book just won the Great Lakes Great Reads Award from the Great Lakes Independent Booksellers Association. I'm very proud of this award, and please remember to support your local independent bookstores, and I hope to see you along the way.